gate up so we can rotate these ladies to the top of the hill up here. Get some of this fresh weeds that's growing this spring. It's a bunch of stuff up there they'll love to eat on. Let them get fat over the summer. And we're gonna continue up the hill, rotate them, and probably won't be daily. They won't go through this stuff daily. We don't have enough goats yet to do the mob, you know what I'm saying, to get them rotate them daily. But probably maybe week, should be, you know, weekly, something like that. We'll see how it goes, but first we got to get these H-brace in. This H-brace in, and got to get the new gate installed. Then we got to detach this high tensile wire from this previous H-brace, and, you know, and rewrap them around this one. So not much, not a lot of work this morning, but should be able to knock this out here in a little bit. So we got one more hole to dig, then throw the cross bracing on, then we'll be on to attaching the wires. Gate. Knew we had to put another H-brace in. New gate in. Needed a back exit for this field. We only had one way in, one way out. It was just, that wasn't gonna work. Especially that I wanted to get these goats up this hill. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna tap in the portable electric netting up the hill. We're gonna go up the hill as far as that netting can go, and then from there we're gonna put Gallagher electric fence through the trees. So that netting wouldn't work that good through there. So I should be able to get to the Gallagher through there with not too much problem. Because I can go this way in and out around stuff if I need to. But yep, that's where we're going up the hill. That's where we're going next. All right, we are live. The electric fence is on. We are tapped in. First test after installing the gate. Got a little pop somewhere. We're gonna figure that out here in a second. We're gonna see where it's touching. So now we're gonna use the Zariba. I always say bruh. Zariba fence doctor. Let's see if it's hot. Yeah, buddy. 9.9. Not pulling any amps. That's hot. 9.9. Let's see this one. Got 1 amp on that one. I think that's where I'm getting my pop at. Just a small pop.
Let me see how long that roll is.
What?
Oh.
Oh, baby, bring one of them posts.
Okay.
Bring 2 of them. Put a little water tank over here for the goats, but we are done. We gave about probably about acre, fenced off another little acre for them. So we are hot all the way up here. Got 9.9 all the way up here. Got 9.1 at the bottom. Still got 9,000 volts though. 9,000 volts still running all the way up here. What is that thing? A brute? Dang, what is that thing called? Cyclops brute. Cyclops brute. I don't think I will ever buy another one, another fence charger besides Cyclops. This is a great fence charger. We fenced off 6 strands up there around another 1.5 acres. I mean, it's not, we ain't fencing off much, but we ain't losing no power at all. You know what I'm saying? It's still got 9,000 volts up here. So Cyclops brute, I vouch that. All right, babe, let's roll.